Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Now here we are going to solve practice now 7, which says that find the sum of interior. We have to find out the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon with 24 sides. So first we have to find out the sum of interior angles of this regular polygon with 24 sides. So we use the similar formula which is how to calculate the sum of interior angle. We use this formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Since we have a regular polygon with 24 sides, so we can find the sum of interior angle by putting n is equal to 24. So what we do, we put n is equal to 24 here. This is 24 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So what will be the sum of interior angle? 22 multiplied by 180, which gives us the result. The result is 3960 degree. This is the sum of interior angle of a polygon with 24 sides. Now in the second part, we are more interested to find the size of each interior angle. Now to calculate the size of each interior angle, we have to divide the sum by number of sides. We have to divide the sum of these angles by number of sides. So what we have to do to find out the size of interior angle? So what is the total sum of interior angle, which is 3960? This is 3960. So what we have to do, 3960, this is the total angle, right? 3000, I write it now, 3960 right here. Now divided by 24. So I divided by 24, so I get the result 3960 divided by 24, which gives us 165. The size of each interior angle, now the size of each interior angle is 165, right? So I move to this part here. Now find the value of unknowns in each of the following figures. You have to find out the value of unknowns, right? So I'm more interested to solve this part D, right? So how many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 sides. So first we have to find out what will be the sum of this polygon, right? Sum of angles of this polygon. So we use the same formula, which is n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. There are 6 sides, so 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. So this means that 4 multiplied by 180 degree. So 4 multiplied by 180, which is equal to 720. So sum of interior angle of this polygon is 720. We have to find out the value of D, right? So how do we find out the value of D? Here I have to add those angles. Now we have 4D plus 4D, which means 8D, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 4, which is 17. So we have 17D here, 70D plus 108 degree plus 102 degree. This is equal to 720. Now I have to find out what is the value of D. Now 720 minus 108 minus 102, which gives us 510. 510. So what is the value of D? 510 divided by 17. So divided by 17, D, the value of D is equal to 30 degree. So this is the unknown value we have calculated in part D of question 2. Similarly, we can solve these challenge now questions and the remaining part of this exercise questions, which says that find the sum of interior angle of each of the following polygons.